Guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a new video for you and I'm very excited because it's October, which means we're almost to Halloween, which means I need to get back into doing face tints because I love doing those and I've been very bad about doing any kind of face paint for you guys. And I was kind of inspired by a friend of mine who I done her makeup last night for a costume party, and I wanted to do something for you guys today. But on a side note, I'm going to open this video with an unboxing before I jump into the makeup aspect of this video. And I recently got an Influenster box, so I'm going to go ahead and open it for you guys today. It is themed by chapstick, and I wanted to prime my lips anyways for this video, so what's better than choosing something from whatever's in this box? So we're going to go ahead and jump into it. And it's pretty small, which is okay with me. And this is introducing Chapstick 100% Natural Lip Butter. Try the new line of Chapstick 100% Natural Lip Butter with naturally sourced ingredients for healthier looking lips. 100% natural provides lips with 8 hours of moisturization, mango butter, avocado butter, and shea butter inside of them. And available in 3 lovely flavors: and green tea, mint, sweet papaya, and pink grapefruit. And it just tells you what to do to post on all the social medias for Influenster.com. And we're going to go ahead and check out these lovely chapsticks. So the first one is pink grapefruit. And I don't like to eat grapefruit. I tried, kind of failed at that. But I do enjoy the smell of it. So there it goes. See how it smells. That is very strong of pink grapefruit. Not bad. But what else do they have? Oh, and trash. Next, green tea mint. I was most excited about this one. I don't like tea, but I like mint things. So I'm going to see what this one's going to be all about. More trash. That smells good. That smells very good. And they're all clear. They're standard chapsticks. Nothing special in the packaging area. But it smells delightful. And last, we have delicious sweet papaya. I don't know if I've ever had papaya before. I don't think I have. But same. Let's open her up. Get the trash off of the lid. There we go. It's very tropically smelled. It smells delicious too. That's a hard decision. My daughter asked me for one of these and I don't know which one I want to give her. So we'll just have to see. But yeah, I will link all the information for Influenster if you're interested in trying to sign up to get boxes sent to you to test out, try out, and all that. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to put them in the comment section down below. And we're going to jump into the makeup portion of this video. And I will see you guys all at the end when it's done, of course. Okay, bye. forgot to film an outro for the end of this video, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this look and this makeup look that I created for you with the little unboxing at the beginning. I was trying to do kind of like a creepy pumpkin look, but it's coming off more as really cool looking wood, I guess you could say. But yeah, please let me know what you guys thought of this makeup look. I had a lot of fun doing it. I guess it's fall inspired, so we'll go with that, but in a creepy sort of way. And be sure to stay connected with me because I'll be posting a lot more face painting looks like this. And as always, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys all in my next, I guess, no, I didn't mean to say that. Next video. Okay, bye now.